How to get a broadcast channel on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. There are two ways to find broadcast channels. The first way is through notifications. Tap on the heart icon at the top right of the screen. If any accounts have invited you to their broadcast channel, you will see them here. Tap on an invite to view the channel. You will see all the invites on this page. Tap any of this one. If you want to join, tap the Join button at the bottom. If you don't see any invites in your notifications, you can find broadcast channels directly on a creator's profile. Tap the search icon at the bottom and type in the name of a creator you want to check. If they have a broadcast channel, you will see a bolded link below their bio showing the number of members in the channel. Tap on this link, then tap on View Channel. It will take you to the broadcast channel and then tap Join if you want to be a part of it. Not all creators have broadcast channels, so if you don't see an option under their profile, that means they haven't set one up. That's how to get a broadcast channel on Instagram.